wanted to talk about hair densities and help you make the best decision for you. So each brand they choose as their average density for their toppers. For UniWigs, which is the brand that I use for toppers, their average is 130% density, which is medium density. And low density is going to be considered 110 to 120% density. And a lot of times we think, okay, look how thin my hair is. I want something with a lot more density to really make it look fuller. But there's a couple things that could go wrong with that, or a couple reasons why that might not be a good idea for you. First and foremost, if you're brand new to wearing hair, you're gonna put on one of those higher density toppers or wigs even, and you're gonna be like, this feels so foreign and this looks so obvious. You're going to think that because you're not used to seeing that much hair. And you're probably going to think that some with the low density as well, but you're really going to see that. That's the first and foremost reason why you don't necessarily want a higher density. The other reason is if you have really thin, fine hair, if you have a heavier, higher density topper, you are going to feel some more discomfort in overloading those strands. So you're going to want a lower density topper. Keep that in mind when you're searching for one, or if you're just getting really frustrated and can't figure out why you can't get the topper to look right. It could be because you need a lower density topper. The other thing I wanted to give you some options for lower density toppers. Upgrade Aura, which is my ride or die. She is the one that you see me in all the time. She's the one I work out in. She just blends perfectly with my hair. That one is 110% density. So she's great. The other one that I think looks super natural on me that I just happen to gravitate more towards is the Breeze Topper. And she's 120%. So remember, low density is 110 to 120% density. So both of those toppers are great. And another reason why a lower density might be for you, it is going to be cooler. This is the Upgrade Courtney. So good for the summer. I think she's 130% density. This is the new and improved hairline. So you've got the thinner hairline that's gonna blend really well. This is Burmese hair. I wash her and let her air dry, and it's a beautiful curl pattern. I mean, it's so amazing, and it mimics my bio hair so well. And then I put her on and I go, and it won't matter if my bio hair gets all curly from sweating or rain or whatever, because my topper is gonna match it. I hope that helps with the density talk. I hope that maybe clarifies some things. If you have any more questions, let me know. I'll do my best to answer them.